In this show, we look at what you can use as a prompt for your next speech. When it comes to your next speech, you really do have some serious choices to make. But these choices are beyond the obvious, such as your title, your content, or your time planning. That's because you have some serious choices to make about how you will give your next speech. Will you use a script? Will you use your iPhone, your iPad, or perhaps you might opt for an autocue, teleprompter? Clearly, you need to be comfortable with your choice, since no one wants to introduce yet another unknown into speech giving. Yet your choice of speech manager will definitely affect your style of delivery. So, to help us out, here we have the options you might consider. But first things first, there's no right solution for everyone, so if it works for you and your audience, then stick with it. However, you should always consider an alternative if not totally committed. Number 1, a script. When you use a script for your next conference speech, you can expect a tighter performance. Why? Well, not least when you prepare your script, you have plenty of time for edits, rework, and practice, because you have the chance to test what works and what doesn't. However, you also have the chance to appear wooden, so you need to work on your delivery, stance, and gestures. Number 2, an iPhone. You can always use your iPhone with your next speech, not least because it certainly makes an alternative to a paper script. And because it's on your phone, you can easily share your speech, edit it, and also review it. Just be aware of the small screen size, screensaver, and battery life. Of course, you can always go that bit further and try other smart ways of giving presentations with smartphones. Number 3, your iPad. Your iPad obviously has most, if not all, the advantages of your iPhone, save for its form factor. Its size makes it less easy to conceal, yet that wasn't a problem for Mayor Bloomberg, who got into the habit of using his iPad for his speeches when Mayor of New York. Just note that you'll still look downwards for your next line. Number 4, autocue. Autocue is also a sound choice for your next speech at a conference venue, not least because the practicalities can be managed by a third-party organizer. And yes, you should practice your speech delivery with an autocue, as there are some major differences between it and a normal script. Certainly, our summary of public speaking problems always includes autocue. Are there any other options? Well, yes, you can always learn your material and deliver your lines much like an actor does. However, just remember that actors spend a lot of time learning their lines. They often have the benefit of a prompter off stage and other actors on stage who can also prompt them. But if you want to, then give it a go. Just have some cue cards ready in your pocket.